Find the integral of cos x over sine squared x plus 3e to the minus 2x plus 4 over x dx. So let's just write that out. Right, cos over sine is equal to cos x over sine x, and then we're going to have also, because it was the sine square, we're going to have 1 over sine plus 3e to the minus 2x plus 4x to the minus 1 dx. Now this becomes cos x over sine x becomes cot x. 1 over sine x is equal to cosec x, and therefore we get plus 3e to the minus 2x plus 4x to the minus 1 dx. So we're now at the process where we can actually integrate this function. So the integral of cot x cosec x dx is going to be equal to minus cosec x plus c, which is what we've got here. So this becomes minus cosec x. Now, if we differentiated e to the minus 2x, then we're going to get minus 2e to the minus 2x. So, if I differentiate, if I say that's the answer, I'm going to get minus 2 times too much, so I need to divide it by minus 2, which will make that sign here change to negative, and then it will become 3 over 2e to the minus 2x. And then 4x to the minus 1 will be the integral of 1 over x dx, which is ln of x plus c. So that will be 4 ln of absolute value of x plus c. Just rearranging that a little bit, that will become 4 ln of x minus cosec x minus 3 over 2e to the minus 2x plus c. Alright, this has been a video to show you how to do a standard integral, and a little bit of introduction to using integration using the chain rule, the reverse of the chain rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.